Hey guys, Matt here again from handylifehacks.com. Today is day number 18, I believe. Losing track of my 90-day Whole30 challenge or Whole 90 intermingled with intermittent fasting, which I'll talk about in just a minute. Just a real quick update. Got on the scale this morning. I weigh 210.6 pounds as of this morning, which is a loss of 0.8 pounds from yesterday. So not too shabby. Anyway, I wanted to touch on the intermittent fasting thing. Now, when I started this, I intended to do mostly Whole30, type thing, and just intersperse some intermittent fasting in there, here and there. Maybe skip breakfasts. That was kind of my intention, and the intermittent fasting has really been working for me. So I've kind of really taken off with that. So this isn't really a true Whole30 in that respect. I know the Whole30 people aren't exactly fans of intermittent fasting from what I've heard. So, but that's where I'm at. It's working for me, and it's working very well. So I think I'm gonna stick with doing what I've been doing, and we'll see where the road leads. Um, so anyway, real quick update for the day. Now last night, in yesterday's video when I recorded it last night, I mentioned that I hadn't eaten dinner yet, and I actually decided not to eat dinner. So, I didn't eat breakfast yesterday. Had some olives with some broth and a pig's foot, and had every intention of eating dinner. And it just kind of didn't happen because we got home late, and I wasn't really all that hungry, so I just didn't. And then this morning, I didn't eat breakfast. I fasted right through breakfast, and then I was going to have my lunch. I had, a nice light lunch that I had packed, and I ended up not eating that. And then I got home, and I had every intention of eating dinner tonight, and just wasn't hungry. And I thought, I wonder how long I can push this fast out. I'm doing well. I feel great, have a lot of energy. I feel like my thoughts are clearer than they generally are. I feel really good. So we'll see where the road leads. I don't know. I intend right now on eating tomorrow. Friday nights we usually have, our burgers, and of course we have been doing that Whole30, or we did last week. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see where it goes. I'll update you guys tomorrow. I'm hoping to have lost at least 1.5 pounds today after not eating all day. We'll see. We'll see. So anyway, that's all I have for today. If you'd like to follow my progress and see pictures and get recipes and all that fun stuff, be sure to check out my blog. You can find that in the description below. And also, be sure to subscribe to my channel. That really helps me out a lot, and you'll get to see my new videos. Yeah, so you can look at this face. So anyway, that's all I have. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.